engine fire, the driver rushes to lend assistance and promptly burns his helping hand on the red-hot hood. When they finally pry open the engine compartment, police can't believe what they find. It's packed with flammable items like camping equipment, plastic bags, a boiling container of motor oil, and a potentially explosive container of propane gas. Needless to say, the police are stunned.
How anybody could store rubber materials and flammable materials and hopefully gas bottles in the engine bay. It's just unbelievable.
When cops question the perplexed pack rat, he offers no explanation.
On reflection, do you think it was a bit silly?
Hopefully, this bungling driver has learned his lesson and will think twice the next time he decides to fill her up.
The world's most amazing videos will return.